This week's CCJ Tech Shorts highlights a new TMS integration, a new tracking solution, and more.
Welcome to CCJ's Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's Tech Editor, Angel Coker. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started.
SaaS-based TrueTMS has partnered with efRouting, a productivity platform built specifically for small to mid-sized trucking companies that operate in the spot market. This integration embeds efRouting's advanced route optimization and market intelligence tools directly into the TrueTMS platform. TrueTMS users can now access real-time market trends, rate insights, lane quality data, and multi-day route optimization without leaving their TMS. efRouting's Vice President of Sales and Strategic Partnerships said, "This partnership is about empowering the carriers who are often overlooked by legacy systems. Now, a dispatcher running 5 trucks has the same strategic capabilities as a fleet with 500 directly inside TrueTMS. It's about giving them the clarity and leverage they've never had before." Fullbay, a platform that aims to improve the operational efficiency of heavy-duty repair shops, has integrated with multiple new partners to enhance its GPS tracking features. Motive, Azuga, and LinksUp have joined Fullbay's existing lineup of GPS tracking integrations. These integrations support and enable independent and internal repair shops to enhance customer service capabilities, gain deeper visibility into fleet tracking activity, strengthen preventive maintenance tactics, and run more proactive and data-driven businesses. Fullbay's GPS tracking allows shops to track telematics data within the Fullbay platform as well as automatically update usage data for their customers' units when the customer is connected to a GPS tracker. TruckerPath, a mobile app for North American truckers, has rolled out TruckerPath Deals, an online market that makes affordably priced products, services, and special deals tailored for truckers easily accessible. TruckerPath Deals puts everything truckers need in one place, including special offers from trusted partners. Their growing list includes fuel discounts at nearly 1,000 locations in the U.S., medical, life, and other insurance coverage, accounting and tax preparation services, telehealth medical care, discount drug prescription cards, business loans, spot cargo insurance, EpicView TV, and private secure truck parking. TruckerPath Chief Marketing Officer Chris Oliver said TruckerPath's tools and deals help drivers manage expenses, be more efficient, and improve quality of life on the road. A new solution to truck, trailer, freight, and machinery theft has hit the market. SentinelleCard is an undetectable backup device that takes over when traditional GPS systems are disabled. The ultra-thin, credit card-sized device works without a SIM card and without a cellular network. The card works by transmitting a low-power Bluetooth signal undetectable by GPS jammers, which is one of the main threats to GPS trackers. Thieves use jammers to neutralize vehicle and freight tracking. In addition, some drivers deliberately disable GPS before abandoning a truck or machine. Another threat is signal loss in areas with no network coverage, rendering GPS unusable. Nearby Apple and Android smartphones pick up the signal and anonymously relay the position via their respective networks. The owner can retrieve the precise vehicle location through Apple Find My Device or a dedicated Android app. It has a 2-year battery life with no need for recharging and global coverage with no subscription required. SentinelleCard does not replace GPS, but assists it in case of sabotage or theft.
That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.